Hi, today we're going to do quick review about Avita Magus, which I recently bought. So I bought it at a good price of 17,000 rupees from Flipkart during sale. And so I've already done a quick unboxing that you can see in the above video. And there was nothing much into the box apart from the charger and the laptop itself. So there's nothing much to show in that, but this was the box in which I received, and here is the hero of this video. So this is the Avita laptop. Okay, and I'm going to show you the laptop. So this is the laptop. Let me just get rid of this thing. Okay, so like you can see, I'll just try to open it. So you can open the back panel and make it stand like a Surface Pro. Okay, so if you want to see a better angle, it stands like this. And while keeping it down, you can just shut it, and this is your laptop ready. Also, it is a detachable one, so you can get rid of this keyboard itself completely. And this keyboard is a very good quality keyboard. It's not at all cheap. I was expecting that it won't be of good quality at this price, but yes, it is a good quality one. How long it will stay, that's a question that I can keep on updating you. If you have any queries regarding this product, just leave your comments and I'll try to answer it. So here, the keyboard is good one. It's of good quality. I'll just remove it and we'll talk again about the tablet itself. So this is the tablet. It has a very reflective surface. Okay, so this is a 12-inch tablet, and the very first thing that will surprise you here is the display. The display is absolutely stunning at this price point. Now it's booting up. So you can take this much time. I have updated my Windows in this. It comes with Windows 10. I have updated it to the latest version 12.04. So it's a touch enabled. So you notice this is the only time taken to boot up. The colors are so crisp, bright and nice. I was not at all expecting at this point, this price point, that I can get a good tablet like this. Above all, it's full touch screen, 12-inch screen. It's not 10-inch like you get in Microsoft Surface Go. You cannot compare it with Pro 7 or Pro 6, but yes, this is something you can compare with Microsoft Surface Go. I have no issue even if you guys look at my password. Okay, see, if you will now notice the display, it is quite crisp, clear, clean. The resolution is 1920 into 1200, so it's greater than Full HD 19201080. So this is one of the advantage. I have kept in tablet mode, so you can see I'm just removing it from tablet mode, and now it's back into the Windows mode. Still, it can work, no issues. At some places you might need help of keypad, but still it is nice. I have installed dark theme in this because I like dark theme over white one. And this is the edge gesture. If I'll just swipe in like this, See, if you will notice, the touch is also very responsive. At this price, I was expecting this is a Celeron device, and I was not expecting much speed out of this tablet. But for this price point, it is a wonderful tablet that I would really recommend, because when you go for an Android tablet, you hardly get 3 GB RAM or 4 GB RAM, but price may vary between 14 to 20k. But at this price point, I got at 17k. It has configuration of 4 GB RAM and 64 GB inbuilt memory, which you can extend to a memory card. I have also bought a memory card, 64 GB. It doesn't come with external one while time of purchasing it, but yes, externally you can buy, and it has a port. So I'll show you the port also. So this is the USB port, headphone jack, mini HDMI, micro SD card, and the power button, micro SD, HDMI. So these are the, and this is the charger port. So another good part, see, if you will see the responsiveness, I took it to the portrait mode and everything changed. Now I'll switch to this mode. What we say, now it has switched to landscape. I'll change it to portrait mode. You can close it and you can use it as a laptop. And one more thing I would love to share, I'll just remove it. It's quite easy to remove also, it's just magnetic one. And when you remove it, it will ask you to go to switch to tablet mode. You can see it switch to tablet mode. I'll say yes. So now it's in the tablet mode. It comes with screen guard. So as it is a touch enabled, and as you know that even when you buy a mobile, we need a screen guard for it. And fortunately, it comes with a screen guard, so that you need not to worry about. You can see. I'll try to show you. Yeah, you can see this, something you can pull it off. And screen guard, I feel that I should keep it there, so that it's not easy to get a 12-inch screen guard. So whatever comes from the company itself, I try to keep it. So this is my whole review about this tablet, Avita Magus. And in terms of specification, as I shared, it is 4 GB RAM, 64 GB inbuilt memory, which you can expand it further to 1 TB. No issues. Celeron N3350, and I have not yet played any games, but yes, it can open apps easily. It is responsive, quite good. I have updated it to latest to a Windows version. You can see it is running full. Cortana is not available. I'm not connected to internet. I have installed the latest version of Windows. You can see how fast things are opening, right? This is the browser. So there is no speed issue, at least. I know that you cannot compete it with i5 and other processors. The places where I found challenge is the screen is highly reflective. Though it is very nice quality and you can play good videos. For video also, it is something which runs good frame rate, VLC and everything. You can play movies in this, no issues. It runs quite good. I'll keep on updating about more how movies perform, how YouTube perform. You can play 2K videos on this, no issues. It takes everything nicely. I'm not connected to internet, but I could have shown you otherwise. The scrolling, so this even keypad, it works very fine. You can use the clicking, so everything works perfectly. So this was a quick small review, and I had a lot of queries before buying this product, but there was no reviews available. Due to that, I had to first purchase it, but I'm thinking of doing more reviews about it. I'm just shutting it down right now, so that people who are planning to buy this, they can get big help. And screen is very highly reflective. but in terms of watching videos, I'll put another video of playing video on this device. And if you will see, it has a keypad like this. Behind it is a bar which will help you, keep the thing safe. So this is my small quick review, and I'll also show you my another laptop and to compare, how 12 inches look like compared to a 15-inch laptop. So this is my HP laptop, 15 inches i5, and this is Avita. So you can see the size difference. And if you will ask me, I prefer Avita's screen over my HP's screen, which is 15-inch Full HD, to watch movies, because the color reproduction is very high on Avita. So if you have any queries regarding Avita, please feel free to leave in comments, and like this video if you really like it. If you have any queries, just drop me a question. I will like to answer all your queries so that I can help you out in purchasing this device. This is really nice one at this price point. Now I think the price is nearly 18 or 19,000. I bought it in sale, so yeah, it's a good purchase. I hope so. It will last a bit long. This is very comfortable, detachable, good value for money. I hope it stays like this for some time at least. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.